respected teacher, and my dear friends, I hope you are all well. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Karubi. I am a student of the Najara department. Today I am going to talk about our madrasa. The name of our madrasa is Ideal Quran Hifz Madrasa. Our madrasa was established on 3rd November 2024. It is an Islamic educational institution. Here the student learn the Holy Quran, Nazara Quran, Islamic rules and good manners. The teachers of our madrasa are very kind. They teach us with great care and dedication. Our madrasa plays an important role in spreading Islamic education. It helps the student become good Muslim, responsible human beings. I am proud to be a student of Ideal Quran Hifz Madrasa. Thank you all for listening to my presentation. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.